Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend, we are going to talk about how can we solve a screen color problem in our Realme phone device. Friends, you want to solve your phone screen color problem. So how can we solve it? Today I will show you in this video. So friends, you can see guys your screen color and guys your icon color is changed. So how can we solve this problem in Realme phone? So we call it color correction problem. And friends, now let's see how to solve color correction problem in Realme phone device. First of all guys, we will on our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, we will scroll it. Then guys, you can see guys your system setting. So friends, tap on system setting and friends click on your accessibility setting. I tap here, friends click on vision settings. Friends, you can see the second option is display setting, color correction. Tap here, friends, you can see guys your color correction setting, and friends, you can see right size icon guys. Tap on this icon, then guys this problem will solve. You can say about this function guys, color correction lets you adjust how colors are displayed on your device. So like that guys, you can solve guys this color correction problem. And friends, now you can see everything is fine in your Realme phone device. So that's it guys, I hope friends you have understood how to solve color correction problem in Realme phone. So bye bye.